Have you ever wished for thick, long, and healthy hair like you've seen in Indian beauty routines? Today, I'll be sharing a powerful natural remedy using just 2 ingredients, cloves and ginger. This simple DIY treatment is known to promote fast hair growth, reduce hair fall, and deeply nourish your scalp. This amazing combination not only helps grow your hair faster, but also works to strengthen it, stop hair loss, and even treat scalp infections like fungi. If you're dealing with lice, thinning hair, or bald patches, this remedy might just be what your hair needs. It's also known to prevent premature gray hair, which is something many people struggle with. The result? Hair that looks fuller, thicker, and healthier, just like the stunning hair seen on Indian women. This is one of their best-kept natural secrets, passed down through generations. So let's walk through how to use cloves and ginger to grow your hair and make it stronger and thicker naturally. To begin, we'll mix cloves and ginger. When combined, they become a potent remedy for reviving your hair. This simple mixture can give you results that are both visible and long-lasting. Let's start with cloves. You'll need some whole cloves. We'll grind them until they turn into a fine powder. This clove powder will be the base of our hair oil. Cloves are amazing for the hair. They promote length, strengthen the strands, and stimulate the hair follicles to encourage new growth. They also nourish the scalp, helping to reduce itching and dandruff. The best part is, cloves are safe for everyone. Men, women, children, and even pregnant and breastfeeding women can use this treatment without worry. Next, we add ginger. Take fresh ginger, clean it well, peel it, and then grate or mash it. If fresh ginger isn't available, you can use dried ginger powder instead. It works too. Ginger is known to help with baldness by promoting hair growth in empty areas. It strengthens the scalp and makes the hair appear fuller and denser. Grated ginger also helps reduce dandruff and calms scalp irritation. Now let's prepare the oil. Take 1 cup of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil or prefer something milder, you can use sweet almond oil or coconut oil. Both are great for hair. Gather your ingredients. 3 tablespoons of ground cloves, 1 grated or powdered ginger, 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil. Now, in a pan, add the clove powder, ginger, and oil. Mix everything together well. Turn the heat to medium and cook the mixture for 2 minutes. Then lower the heat and continue to cook it slowly. Stir it gently every now and then using a wooden spoon. This helps all the nutrients from the cloves and ginger infuse into the oil. You'll notice a beautiful aroma and a slight color change. Once the ingredients look well cooked, take it off the heat and allow it to cool completely. This oil is now ready. It's your homemade clove and ginger oil, and it's packed with benefits. It helps prolong the hair's life, prevents gray hair, intensifies hair growth, helps with bald spots, alopecia, and even scalp eczema. Once the oil has cooled down, pour it into a clean glass jar or container. Keep it in a dry place at room temperature. It will stay fresh for a long time. Before using it, warm the oil gently using a hot water bath. Don't microwave it. Warm oil works better because it penetrates the scalp more deeply. To use, apply the oil to your scalp and hair. Use your fingertips to massage gently but thoroughly. For best results, bend your head forward slightly. This position increases blood flow to the scalp. Massage the oil in for about 5 minutes. Be sure to also pull the strands gently and rub the scalp in circular motions to stimulate the follicles. Once the oil is well spread, use a wide-toothed comb to comb through your hair. This helps distribute the oil evenly and also boosts blood circulation in the scalp. Now leave the oil in your hair for about 1 hour. After that, wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. Your hair will feel soft, smooth, and nourished. For best results, use this treatment twice a week. With consistent use, you'll start to notice a big difference. Your hair will become longer, stronger, and much thicker. And the best part? It's all natural and free of chemicals. This oil works like magic for scalp problems, gray hair, hair thinning, and more. It's safe for everyone, whether you're a man, woman, pregnant, breastfeeding, or even a child. So go ahead and try this amazing remedy. Your hair will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.